Follow us today at ShatteredStarGames.com. Shatterstar Actual out. Fleet Command, this is Shatterstar Actual coming in for landing at Howe Ring. Fleet coming in for landing at Howe Ring. Shatterstar Actual out. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm attempting to make a emergency landing here at Howe Ring. I've got a couple pirates after me. I am hostile and wanted in this area. Just come off a cargo run. As you can see, my ship is coming in a bit hot here on Howe Ring. Contact. That's contact. I've got contact on radar. Looking good. 5x5 in the pipe. I count 1.3 light seconds out. Coming in for a smooth landing. Appreciate everybody coming back to check us out. Also, you can check out our live feeds at ShatteredStarGames.com. Going into Howe Ring here. Currently with LTT 8517. LTT 8517. Come in, Fleet Command. Shatterstar Actual. All right, we're going to go ahead and drop out of Super Cruise now. Stand by. Currently, we are 5 million meters out. Dropping now. All right. There we go, baby. We are currently making a high-speed pass, requesting docking, Howe Ring. How copy? All right, our docking request has been granted. Coming in hot for emergency land. Stand by. Want to deploy the landing gear now. Stand by for high-speed pass. Howe Ring, how copy? Docking computer. What is that? Woohoo! All right, here we go. Let's line her up. Looking good. 5x5. All the ball. All the ball. I have ball. Line her up. Lining up. Looking good. Looking good. Throttling down. Docking has been completed. Shatterstar Games, join us at ShatterstarGames.com. Shatterstar Confederation, join today. Follow us today at Shatterstar Games.